This is a simplistic schematic of what is going on in a single pole, single throw switch controlling the illumination of a light. The hot wire is switched to the light with the neutral returning to the source. This is the same setup but with a more realistic wiring diagram. A single pole switch controls the power to a light fixture. The source is at the switch and two-wire cable runs from there to the light. The source hot wire is connected to one terminal of the switch, SW1, and the other terminal is connected to the black cable wire running to the light. The neutral wire from the source is spliced to the white cable wire and continues on to the light. At the light, the white wire is connected to the neutral terminal and the black wire connects to the hot terminal of the light. Wiring a light with a wall switch can also be done by bringing the source into the light fixture and is connected from the remote location. A switch loop is used. This circuit is wired with a two-wire cable running from the light to the switch location. The neutral from the source is connected directly to the neutral terminal on the light, and the source hot is spliced with a white loop wire. The white wire is marked with black tape or paint on both ends to identify it as a hot wire. At the switch SW1, it is connected to one of the terminals. The black loop wire is connected to the other terminal and at the light to the hot terminal on the fixture. This connection is very legitimate. However, as you can see, there is no neutral at the switch box. This is a problem if computerized electronic switches are being used and require a power source themselves, which becomes problematic if the neutral is missing. This is an updated version of the previous arrangement. Because the electrical code as of a 2011 update may require a neutral wire in most new switch boxes, a three-wire cable runs between the light and the switch. The red and black are used for hot, and the white neutral wire at the switch box allows for powering a programmable electronic switch. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my stand store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB. In order to avoid power outages that you may have experienced last year, EcoFlow has a January deal to help you power through winter with no grid, no worries. If you are in the United States, you can get up to 65% off some products, and if you spend $2,500, you will get a 220 watt solar panel free. Furthermore, you can earn an extra 5% off when using coupon code 26EFNYAFF. This offer is only available until January 28th. And all of this can be obtained by accessing this link. If you are in Canada, you can get up to 54% off some products, and if you spend $2,000, you will get a 110 watt solar panel free. Furthermore, you can earn an extra 5% off by using the coupon code 26EFNYAFF. This offer is only available until January 28th. All of this can be obtained by accessing this link.